Miley, have you done any Christmas shopping yet this year? Have you? If you haven't, you better get started.
Before we go, I'm going out to my corporate Christmas party, as you know, but I just need to double check the bank account before I go. So just one sec here. Bank. And log in. And there we go. Hi. Hello, sweetheart. What have you been up to? I'm going out tonight. Yes, I am. I'm going out to a Christmas party. Do you see I'm all festive, honey? Mommy's just checking the bank account here. 1 minute. And let's see what we have here. Things are looking good. Bank account is fine. Credit card. Wait a second. Who's been shopping with my credit card? What are these dog gifts? Miley, are you shopping with my card? How could you? Why are you doing shopping with my card? I know it's Christmas time. What a girl.
There you go. Okay. We'll run and play, don't you worry. Hey my friends, welcome back to Vlogmas. The other day I said we got a bit of snow. Well, we're getting real snow today. North of us it has been they have got a lot of snow. We've got pretty lucky so far, just a little bit of dusting, but I think today's our day. So far, only light snow so far, but I'm sure later on in the day you'll see how much we actually get. Miley's loving it anyway. And so am I. As long as you dress for it, dress for the weather, my friends, makes winter a whole lot better. Problem is, people in the city say, I hate winter, as they stand there with their winter coat wide open, or if they're even wearing a winter coat at all. A hoodie apparently suffices these days. The boots right now might be a bit of overkill considering how much snow we have, but it's one of those weathers that snows aren't quite adequate. Snows. Shoes. Jeez. So are you guys getting snow where you are? I know here in southern Ontario we don't really get very much snow anymore, not like when I was a kid. We used to get a lot of snow. You could build snow forts, and back in the days when you could give a kid a toboggan for Christmas and it wasn't a cruel gift. But I know northern Ontario and stuff like that, they get a lot more snow than we do. But how about you guys? Do you come from a snowy climate? Or if you're in Canada somewhere, are you getting snow where you are? Love to hear from you. Comment below, my friends. Comment below. By the way, speaking of the comments and stuff like that, thank you for the comments. We love hearing from you. We really do. Cassie's really good at responding. That's one you're talking to, by the way. And yeah, so all the comments and likes and, dare I say, shares are much appreciated. We love building a community with you guys, and love seeing where this is going to go, and yeah, just doing life together. It's kind of fun. to stay off the ice this time. I got in trouble for that one, Miley. Come on. Yeah, by the way, guys, that last video when you see Miley on the ice, if you listen carefully, you can hear the ice crack a little bit. Gotta know, when I played that one for Cassie, I'm laughing, thinking how cute that was. She didn't find it so cute. Well, difference between men and women, huh? Or just me. You're the cutest thing, aren't you? Hey, having fun? Woo, the wind, eh? Honestly, for your best interest right now. There we go. Okay, keep you safe. I'm glad I wore my boots. It's snowing, isn't it? I would have regretted wearing shoes. Come on, Mike. Check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Why not? We got a burr already. I think we did. I'm back. Here, I'll help you. Back your foot here. There we go. Got the burr. Burrs already. Burrs already. Oh my goodness. And this time of year too. I'm glad you like coming in here. Hey, Mike. I think that wind's starting to pick up. Let's head home, okay? I'm coming. I'm coming. Let's go. This way. Check out the bridge. Come on. Can't come down here without checking the bridge out. And you're attacking my boots again. Come on. Boots and slippers, Miley. Boots and slippers. She can't handle either. Time again. This time it's you and I. See if we have better success than we did last night, okay? Stay, wait. DOGMAS calendar. 4. They're not easy. Oh, okay. Wait, Miley, wait. Good girl. Of course you are. Merry Christmas, sweetheart. We were better prepared, or said I was better prepared this time. Is that it? That's it. Okay.
Well, there it is, guys. That's all for today. Bye.